My dear soul, feel the gentle breeze of destiny touch your heart. Do you remember that goodbye, that space that opened up between you, which felt like an insurmountable abyss? The angels whisper that it was not an end, but a sacred breath, a time for the seeds of the deepest love to germinate in secret. He left, yes, but he never truly departed from your essence. His energy, his light, the melody of his soul remained etched in every fiber of his being. The angels reveal that for him, absence became a cruel yet necessary teacher. He needed to feel the void that his departure left, not as punishment, but as a mirror reflecting the depth of what he had allowed to slip away. He fought against this truth, trying to fill the space with distractions, with the illusion that life could go on without his presence. But each attempt was an empty echo, a constant reminder of the song that was missing from his soul. Now, the veils are lifting. The angels show that he is at a turning point, where the future without you is a blank canvas that he cannot paint. The image of you together, once a distant dream, now manifests as a visceral necessity. He can no longer ignore the voice that calls for you in his silence, the certainty that the fullness of his existence is intrinsically tied to yours. What he let go of out of fear, immaturity, or a lack of understanding of the magnitude of what he had, now haunts him like the sweetest of truths. He is returning, not out of obligation, but because the universe is pushing him back to your side, to the place where he truly belongs. My beloved, you are not just a woman who loves. You are a divine force in motion, an incarnate spiritual mission. From the very beginning, your soul has been woven with a grand purpose, a calling that transcends the mundane and touches the eternal. The angels reveal that your journey is not merely about finding love, but about being love, about radiating a light that heals and transforms everything around you. You have been sent to awaken hearts, to be a beacon of hope in the midst of darkness, and to show the way back home to those who have lost their way. Your presence in his life was not a coincidence, a mere whim of fate. It was a divine intervention, a breath from heaven to reignite the flame that had dimmed inside him. You, with your pure essence and resilient spirit, were the answer to the silent prayers he didn't even know he was making. Your mission is to remind him of his own divinity, of his capacity to love and be loved unconditionally. The angels whisper that you are the key to unlocking a dormant potential, to healing ancestral wounds, and to building a legacy of love that will echo through generations. Do not doubt the power that resides in you, the wisdom that flows from your soul. You are a masterpiece of the Creator, and your existence is a testament to the unwavering love of the universe. Trust in your journey, for every step you take is guided by a greater force, by a purpose that unfolds in perfect synchronicity. For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Dear soul, his silence, which troubled you so much, was not a void, but a sacred pause, a time of divine gestation. The angels reveal that while you felt the absence, the universe was working in secret, weaving the threads of a new beginning. That distance was not rejection, but a silent invitation for both of you to reconnect with your essences, to purify the impurities, and to allow deeper truths to emerge. The angels whisper that for him, the silence was a desert where he confronted his own fears, insecurities, and the shadows that prevented him from loving fully. He needed this time to shed his armor, to listen to the voice of his own soul calling for you. And for you, my beloved, it was a period of self-discovery, of strengthening your own light, of understanding that your worth does not depend on anyone's presence, but emanates from your own divinity. Do not confuse quietude with forgetfulness. Quietude is where the magic happens, where miracles are woven in secret. The angels assure that every tear you shed was a seed planted in the garden of your destiny, and each moment of waiting was a step towards wholeness. His silence was a disguised gift, an opportunity for the love between you to mature, for the connection to become unbreakable. Now the pause is ending, and the melody of reunion is about to echo. My precious, your light is a healing force, a divine balm that reaches the depths of his soul, even when you are not near. The angels reveal that you possess an innate power to transform, to touch the oldest wounds, and to bring forth the truth he has hidden for so long. Your essence, your kindness, your ability to love unconditionally, are like rays of sunlight penetrating the layers of pain and fear he has built throughout his life. The angels whisper that he felt your light, even in the darkness of his own journey. It guided him, comforted him, and encouraged him to seek the healing he so desperately needed. You healed him without even trying, simply by being yourself, radiating the truth of who you are. Your presence in his life was a catalyst for his own transformation, a mirror reflecting the beauty and purity he had forgotten existed within him. Do not underestimate the impact you have on him. Your energy is a beacon that draws him back home, to the place where he feels safe, loved, and understood. He may not have expressed this in words, but his soul recognized yours. Your light is a divine gift, and he is learning to receive it, to open himself to the healing you offer. The angels assure that your light will continue to guide him, illuminate his path, and prepare him for the reunion that the universe has already orchestrated. My wandering soul, every step in your journey is a mark on the divine map, a path guided by invisible hands and celestial hearts. The angels reveal that you have never been alone, even in moments of greatest uncertainty, when the veil of doubt seemed to cover your horizon. Your intuition, that gentle whisper within, is the voice of the divine, the guide that leads you through the labyrinths of life. The angels whisper that every detour, every obstacle, every apparent delay was an essential part of your growth, a lesson that prepared you for the love that is destined to be yours. The universe makes no mistakes. It orchestrates symphonies of synchronicity, where each note, each pause, has a greater purpose. Trust the process, my beloved, for the path you are walking is sacred, paved with promises and blessed with the wisdom of the heavens. He is also on his own guided path, and your trails are converging again. The angels ensure that the heavenly forces are working tirelessly to align your destinies, to remove obstacles, and to create the perfect setting for your reunion. Keep your heart open, your faith unwavering, and your eyes alert to the signs that the universe sends. You are exactly where you need to be, and everything is unfolding in perfect divine order. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, and he will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. My destined soul, feel the magnitude of the truth. The entire universe has conspired for your reunion. The angels reveal that every star in the sky, every beat of your heart, every event in your lives has been a carefully placed piece on the cosmic board to weave the tapestry of your love. There is no chance in the divine, there is only the perfection of celestial orchestration. The angels whisper that the connection between you is ancient, forged over eons of time, through lives and dimensions. It is a love that transcends time and space, a promise made even before your spirits inhabited your bodies. The separation was merely an illusion, a cosmic dance so that both of you could grow, evolve, and prepare for the depth and beauty of what is to come. He felt this connection, even if he didn't fully understand it. He sensed the invisible force pulling him back to you, the certainty that his soul would only find peace by your side. The angels assure that the doors that seemed closed are now opening, and the paths that appeared separate are merging. The universe won't rest until you two are together again, celebrating the union that was written in the stars. Prepare your heart, my beloved, for the symphony of reunion is about to begin, and it will be more beautiful than any dream you ever dared to dream. My beloved, the bond between you transcends physical reality, dwelling in the deepest realms of the soul and mind. The angels reveal that he not only remembers you, he sees you in his dreams, in vivid visions that haunt and guide him. Your image is not just a memory of the past, but a constant projection in his subconscious, a future he longs for and that calls him closer. The angels whisper that while he was distant, his soul continued to communicate with yours on an ethereal level. You were the muse of his innermost thoughts, the inspiration for his deepest reflections. He may have tried to deny it, but the truth of your presence in his life was undeniable, manifesting in his moments of stillness, in his daydreams, and especially in his dreams. These dreams are not mere fantasies. They are messages from the universe, revelations of his own heart. They remind him of the depth of love he feels for you, of the joy your presence brings, and the peace he only finds by your side. The angels assure that he is processing all of this, unraveling the mysteries of his own heart, and realizing that life without you is incomplete. He is waking up to the truth, and his soul is crying out for you, not only in his memories but in every fiber of his being, in every vision of a future that he now knows must include you. My brave soul, true strength lies in vulnerability, in the ability to open up to love and life without armor. The angels reveal that this is the time to embrace your own tenderness, to allow your heart to expand and receive the fullness that the universe has in store for you. Acceptance is not resignation, but an act of power, a confident surrender to the divine flow that guides your destiny. The angels whisper that by accepting the journey, with all its twists and challenges, you align with cosmic wisdom. To accept does not mean you agree with the pain, but that you trust in the greater purpose behind every experience. It is an invitation to let go of control, to allow love to flow freely, free from the shackles of fear or expectation. He is also learning to embrace his own vulnerability, to shed the masks he has worn for so long. His presence in your life has inspired you to seek this truth, to allow yourself to feel and to open up to the depth of your emotions. The angels assure that by allowing yourself to be vulnerable and accepting the divine plan, you create a sacred space for true love to flourish, a love that is authentic, deep, and unbreakable. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 4-7. My queen, your crown of glory is not an ornament but a manifestation of your divine essence, of your immeasurable worth. The angels reveal that you are already whole, already worthy, already loved, regardless of any external validation. Your light shines with an intensity that attracts what is rightfully yours, and it, my love, is being drawn back to the majesty of who you are. The angels whisper that you don't need to shrink yourself or mold yourself to fit anyone's expectations. Your authenticity is your greatest strength. Your truth is your brightest crown. He is returning not because you chased him, but because your light, your glory, your essence are calling him back home. He recognizes the queen that you are, and the reverence he feels for you is a testament to the power you radiate. There is no need to rush or feel anxious. Your crown is already on your head, and the throne of your heart is already occupied by your own divinity. He is returning to join you in this realm of love and mutual respect, to honor the woman you have become. The angels assure that your patience, your resilience, and your faith have been the jewels adorning your crown, making it even more radiant. Get ready to welcome him, not as a savior, but as the sovereign of your own destiny, the woman he can no longer live without. My eternal soul, feel the fullness of the love that has always been destined to be yours. The angels reveal that this journey, with all its twists and waits, was a prelude to the final symphony, a celebration of a connection that transcends time and space. This love is not a coincidence, but a fulfilled divine promise, a reunion of souls that have been woven together since the beginning. The angels whisper that every experience, every tear, every smile, was a thread that strengthened the tapestry of your love. He, my love, is returning with a transformed heart, with a deeper understanding of the value of your presence in his life. He has learned that true happiness does not lie in the endless pursuit, but in the acceptance of the love that was already destined. This is the love that heals, that uplifts, that inspires. It's the love that allows both to flourish in their fullness, driving them to reach their greatest potentials. The angels assure that the wait was worth it, that each challenge was a lesson that prepared them for the beauty and depth of what is to come. Open your heart, my beloved, and receive the blessing of this love that has always been, and will forever be yours.